Hey guys, what's up? This is Armin Van Buuren and you're watching the vlog of Groundland. Check it out.
Namens Canon en Skyteam Partners, hartelijk dank en graag tot ziens. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Amsterdam.
So, I finally landed in Amsterdam Schiphol Airport and just waiting for my friend Miko. There we go.
Hey, how are you?
See it? Yeah. You ready for our dance fair?
I'm ready. We're at Schiphol and we're going to the jaarbeurs of Dancefair.
In English, we're going to some big venue with lots of DJs. Wait, that's better. So I've just realised that this morning I managed to check in for my return flight before even going on my first flight. Now that's the first. He's got no comment.
Yes.
We got all day.
On the podium of Dancefair. I'm about to do my seminar. 1 out of 3. This one is with Mark Villa about pitfalls, about young talent, and actually there's like a whole crowd already waiting. And yeah, so we're about to go on right now. Check. So yeah, this is a success story in the making. Mark Villa was a dance fair visitor a couple of years ago.
What's up?
How's it going with your elaborate setup?
What do you think of it?
Tell you like any other girl you'd meet at the first time, it's huge! But it's quality though.
Yeah, I did see you using the GoPro still.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
you can't beat the GoPro sometimes.
yeah, the GoPro is just for undercover vlogging.
Yeah.
But obviously the sound quality is great.
Yeah. And you know Big Surge from LA?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna come as well. So.
Wow, you're a whiz at networking, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's not about the bleeps. It's really about taking you on a journey where you just keep on dancing.
Just good beats all night long.
Good beats, but try and not bore your crowd. So what are you gonna do? How are you gonna tackle that without the help of like Chainsmoker tracks?
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Take care.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Mark Villa here, currently at Dancefair with Groundland.
What's up? My name is Sibranovsky and we at Dancefair.
My name is Bad Dimes and you're watching Groundland.
So far we've had Laid Back Luke with Mark Villa.
Yeah.
That was a good one, had a good chat with him.
Very
then
good.
we bumped into Revites and I tried the new Denon CDJs. A couple of beers, as always in Holland. Cheers.
Cheers.
And now, future house music.
De eerste plugin, dat is Nexus geweest. He just asked me what my first plugin was that I've bought, and that's actually Nexus. That was actually it's still one of my favorites since to work with. It's you can really play with a lot of sounds. It's just like a really basic one. You can just find a preset, but I really like it for like plugs, designing breaks as well.
What's up? I'm with Oliver Rosa.
What's up? We're here in the vlog of Dancefair. We're having fun.
Yeah.
Listening music, watching girls. What
Beer.
else do you want to do, right?
Yeah.
Drink some beer, have some food.
The Dutch way.
Dutch way.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Yeah. good to see you.
Good to see you too, man.
Until next time.
Oh, well,
Groundland, Rosa, Dancefair. So it's halfway through the day of Dancefair and I'm about to see JULIAN for a quick catch up and some chat.
Still, like, I think it's a process. There's so many hours for me, but like also for a guy like Afro or Hardball, like those guys have been in the studio for so many hours trying until the point where they reach their own sound and they know how to do stuff.
Yeah.
Did you get in okay?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, thanks again.
Uh-oh. It's going all professional, man.
Yes! Is our team winning? Am I winning?
We're not winning.
Okay, watch this guys, watch this. Yeah.
So the day isn't quite over yet. We're off to our final one of the day. Who are we off to see?
Armin
Van
Buuren.
Talk, Q&A, I don't know. 1 hour with the legend. If we get a seat.
I want to have a big hand, warm applause for Armin Van Buuren.
Because then you have a closer, intimate connection with the crowd and you can see if a track is working or not, because the 200 people crowd is very honest, trust me. Oh, Ableton's got a new plugin. Let's buy it, let's buy it. Buy. Don't do that, man. Start to create a melody that gives you goosebumps, that makes...
Hey guys, what's up? This is Armin Van Buuren and you're watching the vlog of Groundland.
So there you have it. Dancefair is a wrap. Only here for the one day, not the two. Heading back to Scotland.
See you soon, man.
Yep, see you. Until next time.
Until next time.
Adios.
Adios.
So that is the Dancefair vlog now over. If you like this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe down below to keep up to date, and I will see you in the next vlog.